Okay, my healthy friends, let's make our very own carpet refresher. The first thing that you will need is baking soda, and then you will need your favorite essential oils. Now, what we used is rose oil and 10 drops of each, and we also use lavender oil. Feel free to make this your very own and use whatever oil that you like. What we did after that was we mixed everything together until all the lumps were out. It's important just to get all the lumps out so the oil could marinate inside of the baking soda. Once you've done that, you can just pack it away however you like. We're not making a lot because we're only doing our carpet real simple and real easy today, but usually I'll make a big bulk of it. But I just wanted to show my daughter how to make her very own. Once she does that, I have her pack it away in a tight sealed container until when she's ready to use the rest of it. Right now we're going to use some of it anyway, then we're going to use the rest later. Follow for more videos.